Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out eStage and maybe you're wondering, is this a good way for you to make money online or is this a big waste of time? Let's check it all out. Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds of different strategies and ways and websites, applications to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out eStage to find out whether this is the good or the ugly. Maybe there are better ways for you to make money online out there, all right? Now, eStage is a brand new application, right, that focuses mainly on hub building, all right? So what is a hub? A hub is basically a primary website where you can basically lead people in all different directions, and it connects basically everything, all right? Different sales funnels, different pages that you have, a live community. You can do video hosting, you can sell products, you can have memberships in there, you can have an affiliate program, you can have an entire ecosystem that basically ties into one domain, all right? So if your domain is workwithbob.com, it would be all under workwithbob.com, and it would basically lead to all sorts of different areas where you can just keep everything in one place, all right? So it's a very revolutionary idea. I've actually used it to build up my hub, and so I'm just going to show you exactly how this works, and maybe this is a good way or bad way for you to make money. Let's check it out. All right, now there's a few different things that you can do. Okay, so within eStage itself, you can build out an entire hub, all right, an entire project. You can have your own community, you can have courses, right? So let's just say you want to launch a meditation course or a golfing course. You can actually do it all in here. You can host all your videos in here. It's native hosting as well, right? And of course they've got support, right? And the support is excellent, right? So I'm going to jump into my eStage application just to show you the builder itself, just so that you can see. You can build out different projects. Again, depending on what level you got into, you could have unlimited or you might have a limited amount of projects, right? I'm going to go into my main project, and this is essentially where you manage everything. Okay, so you build out all your pages, you build out your funnels from here. This is my main hub right here. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so if someone would land on this is my domain, my custom domain, and you can kind of lead people in different directions, right? So I can lead them to my courses, I can lead them to my blog. Oh, I forgot to mention, you can have a blog here as well, right? You can lead them to your community, all from one place, all right? So for example, if I want to go to my courses section, I'm just gonna navigate this and kind of show you how this looks, right? That's my logo right there. This is under courses. These are all the courses that I sell, right? And this could be your course, this could be other people's courses, right? And the cool thing about this is that I can link it to my community, all right? And a lot of people, so first of all, at the time of recording this video, there is no other funnel or page builder, and there are a lot out there, ClickFunnels, Katra, things like that actually don't have this type of functionality, right? So if I was to have one of my courses and I wanted to give somebody access to it, they would have to join my community. Okay, now if they clicked on join my community right here, they would be led to my actual community page. Now, there are other individual community builders out there, like School, for example, right? School is a very popular community builder, but that's all School is, all right? Facebook is another one, obviously, but Facebook is on a platform where people can get really distracted, right? With eStage, you can basically build an entire community right here, exactly like School, right? Except that it's just your community. That means that they don't get promoted to by other people. They can't link out to other people. There's no distractions. It's literally your community on your domain, right? Which is really cool. So if you look at my community, it's social.chenpreneur.com. That's my domain, right? Now, there's so many things that you can do on this community, right? I can go live, so I can actually do a live stream. By the way, that's all native, okay? It's all eStage technology, which is really amazing. So they've spent a ton of money, millions and millions of dollars, bootstrap this together to come out with this really amazing product, right? So I can go live stream here. As soon as I live stream, there will be recordings that will just show up and my people can check it out, right? I can list all my courses here, so it's all created very, very nicely. So for example, if somebody's on my website right here and they want to join my community, they would come right here, they would log in, they would become a lead of mine, and then I could recommend them some courses. It could be either free or paid, right? I could have a resources section, right, that gives them access to different types of resources, different tools that they can use, and these could either be my own tools that I coded myself. I've got developers, or it could be an affiliate product and you can make commissions from this. Okay, so lots of different things that you can do, right? So I can also build individual pages if I wanted to, right? So I've got, for example, this is an example of a static page, and this might be a part of my sales funnel. So maybe I generate leads from, Facebook ads or TikTok or YouTube or Instagram. People come through, right? And they opt into my page, they become an email lead, right? Then they come through maybe one of my sales funnels. I might try and sell something to them, and then they can kind of click back to chenpreneur.com, and if they do that, they're going to land on the main page right here. This is chenpreneur.com, right? And then they can look around, they can come to my blog where I'm going to write different articles. You can rank them for search engine optimization purposes. So many different things that you can do, right? You can have banners on the side that link back into any funnel that you're promoting. They can go to like a results section where you list different testimonials and things like that, and all of this is all in one place. Okay, it's not separate. You don't have to basically pull in all sorts of different apps. You don't need to use 10 different softwares and kind of duct tape them together. This is all under one roof, and that's what makes eStage very, very powerful. Okay, so I'm going to go through it. Again, it's a hub builder, it's a page builder, it's a funnel builder. It allows you to build communities like school, but it's all unique on your domain. People aren't going to get distracted. And if you build your community here, this is one of the great ways to generate a lot of income, right? The bigger your community, generally the more money you make. You can host videos native. You can have products on here. So basically, it's kind of like an all-in-one system. The only thing that they don't have right now, at the time of recording this video, is two things. They don't have their own email autoresponder, which, by the way, you can link any email autoresponder. They've got a lot that you can basically tie in, right? So all the normal ones like, Entreport, GetResponse, Aweber, all of these you can just very easily integrate, right? And they also don't have a webinar platform, which these two things will be available in the future. Okay, so again, it depends on when you're watching this video, but maybe at the time you're watching this, they already have their own email autoresponder and they have their own webinar platform, which is nuts. Okay, that means like it's an all-in-one. And the thing is that generally when companies do this kind of thing, right, when they try and embark on this kind of journey, usually it's very clunky. Like their stuff isn't that good. eStage, their stuff is really good. It's like top quality stuff, right? So if you want to come here, for example, this is my builder. Okay, I'm just going to show you right now. So if I wanted to build one of my, and they put everything in folders. Let's just say this is one of my capture pages, right? This is just as an example. Remember, you can use this builder to build in any niche that you want. It doesn't have to be a particular niche. It could be in meditation, it could be in weight loss, it could be in trading, it could be in make money, it could be in golfing, it could be in sprinting, it could be in jumping, it could be in basketball, right? So many different ways, right? But this, for example, is an example of one of my capture pages. You would come in here and you can literally edit every single pixel. Okay, you can move things around. It's very, very robust. And that's really what I like about it. It's not, it's not dinky. There are a lot of platforms out there where they try and do too many things, but their stuff isn't that good. That's the problem, right? But with these guys, they really wanted to focus on being good at everything and putting it in one platform, so you don't have to spend thousands of dollars duct taping 10 different pieces of software together. It's literally just one piece of very powerful software that you can run your entire business on. And I think that's really, really cool. Okay, so this is kind of eStage right here, right? It sells for $297 a month. Some people might think that that's expensive, but if you think about it, if you were to combine a community, a membership website, a funnel builder, so I'll give you an example, right? ClickFunnels is $297 already, okay? That's a very popular funnel builder. I also use ClickFunnels. I've used it for many, many years, right? $297 just for a funnel builder, okay? If you want to get a membership platform, right? And ClickFunnels does it too, but their membership platform is very basic. It's not super good. It's okay. It's not that great, but yes, you can use it, right? But if you were to use another membership platform, that's $99 a month, okay? You want video hosting, another $99. You want an affiliate tracking platform, maybe it's like $49 a month, okay? You need a community, school goes for $99 a month. So already there, if you were to combine all those things, you're spending close to $1,000 or more a month just on software costs, right? So $297 per month to get all of this stuff is actually really, really tiny. What I also forgot to mention is when you do live calls, they have chat as well, all right? And their chat platform is really, really good, right? It's stuff that Google uses. It's like Google technology, all right, on some of these things. And I mean, you're getting it as part of the entire package. So I think for what you're getting, the cost is actually really, really low. So if you want to check eStage out, I think it's a great platform. If you're looking to build a business, and it doesn't matter what you're doing, any type of entrepreneur, if you've got some sort of online presence, I think eStage is going to help you to really change the game. Okay, you can build your community on here. You can sell your own products. You can sell other people's products. You can be an affiliate marketer like me, for example, right? I sell affiliate products. I also have my own products as well, so I'm also a creator. You can do live training. They're going to be pre-recorded for you. You know, you can integrate your emails. You know, you can do all sorts of different things on here. You can build out static pages. You can have your blog on here. You can run your entire community, your entire business on this platform. I think it's really, really powerful. All right. So if you enjoyed this review, I'm going to do two things, right? First of all, I'm going to leave my eStage link. If you want to join eStage, just go ahead and use my link right below. All right. And the second thing is, if you're here right now on my channel and you're looking to generate income and you don't really know how, all right, maybe you, for some reason, you stumbled upon this video, right? But maybe you're just a beginner and you have no idea how to start a business online, right? I've generated millions of dollars with a very specific strategy online, and I use, you know, pages like or software like eStage to help me to create leverage and automation inside of my business, right? I use this strategy to quit my full-time job. I make multiple six figures a year, but millions overall, right? And if you would like to learn my strategy step by step, I've got a free masterclass that will teach you how to do that. And that's the second link below this video. All right, if you want to check that out, right? I hope you enjoyed this review of eStage. All the best to you, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.